upgrade in technology alone is a huge advantage for us, for our patients. We can get people in and out faster, and it decreases radiation dose. There's a row in here of detectors. This machine has 128 slices, which is more than we had in our previous machine, so it shortens scan time. We have the ability to do 3D reformatting, which is helpful. You can get a nice three-dimensional picture of what you're looking at. The quality of the image is much, much better. They expect us to give them our best, and I think this was a great addition to that.